Why is my Honeywell thermostat screen blank?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common problem many Honeywell thermostat users face, a blank thermostat screen. The screen might go blank for various reasons, and we'll discuss these causes and their corresponding solutions in this video.
Is your thermostat battery dead?
First and foremost, the most common reason for a blank Honeywell thermostat screen is that the battery is dead. If your thermostat is battery-powered, try replacing the batteries. After you've replaced them, check if the screen comes back on.
Is the circuit breaker tripped?
The next thing to check is your circuit breaker. Sometimes, your thermostat screen might go blank if the circuit breaker trips. To fix this, reset the circuit breaker that corresponds to your HVAC system. Wait for a few minutes, then check if the thermostat screen comes back on.
Is the furnace switch off?
Third, check the furnace switch. In some cases, the furnace switch, which looks like a normal light switch, could have been turned off by mistake. This switch is usually found on or near the furnace. If it's turned off, the power to the thermostat can be cut off, resulting in a blank screen. Turn the furnace switch on and see if this brings your thermostat screen back to life.
Are there wiring issues?
Lastly, if you've tried everything else and your thermostat screen is still blank, you might be dealing with a wiring issue. Loose or broken wires can disrupt the power supply to the thermostat. In this case, it's recommended to contact a professional HVAC technician to inspect and repair any wiring issues. Those are the main reasons why your Honeywell thermostat screen might be blank. Remember, always start with the simplest solutions like changing the batteries before moving to more complex ones like checking the circuit breaker or furnace switch. If all else fails, do not hesitate to call a professional. We hope this video helps you solve your blank thermostat screen issue. Thanks for watching.